So the easiest thing is your rents, right? If hopefully you're buying an asset that's under market rent, and one of your part of your business plan is to come in and raise those rents. Whether sometimes you can do it without doing upgrades. I mean, that's obviously the easiest, right? Just more operational and just pushing for those higher rents. We do that a lot. And then on the ones you're going to upgrade, making sure that you're not overdoing it. You're just putting what you need in those units to get those upgraded rents, and then doing it quickly, right? And that's where the vertically integrated helps. And a lot of operators have issues getting the materials or getting the crews and getting it done in a timely manner so you can quickly turn those units. So I think that's probably number one, right? It's going to be your most likely your highest value. But then there is a lot of other things that can be done. We've had a lot of success with charging for internet. Find something that makes sense, and then you make the difference, or just doing a profit sharing with the provider. So I would say that's a must. We've done that at every single property, and finding little things, pretty much anything your residents are already paying for. So internet at this point, I think it's fair to say almost every resident, no matter what class, is going to have internet for the most part. We also do renter's insurance, but on that renter's insurance, we do a profit share with the provider as well. So something that the residents already have to pay for, and now we're getting some profit on there. Those are the things I feel is what takes you to the next level on maximizing that NOI. There's other things that we've had a lot of success with: carports or adding storage. Garages is huge. Any of the properties that we have with garages, they seem to be fully occupied all the time. We acquired a property recently where the garages have been 100% since we acquired it, and now we're getting ready to build more garages on site. Trying to think what else we got here. There's other collecting all the fees and making sure that operational, and not just income, right? So expenses as well. You can be efficient with your expenses, consolidating some of the providers. We've had a lot of success, I think, once we brought in-house management. There was one deal where we were able to save $4,000 a month.
Oh, wow.
Just by consolidating some of the third parties on the expenses.